Hey everybody, it's Nolan with Premier Automotive Source LLC in Jacksonville, Florida. I want to take a minute to walk around this beautiful 2004 solar yellow Jeep Wrangler X with only 50,000 miles. Super clean inside and out. Underside is beautiful. I encourage you to go to our website, take a look at the many detailed photos we have at premierautosource.com. You can also call or text me at 904-382-7230. This Jeep has a lot of extras, has a really nice JKS 2-inch suspension lift with JKS adjustable track bar on the front of it, box shocks all the way around, a set of 3211 5015 BF Goodrich K02 tires that have plenty of tread. I would say probably 85 to 90% tread, LED headlights, a brand new BESTOP soft top, tinted windows. The inside is super clean, cold air. It also has a brand new Sony double-din head unit with Bluetooth, USB, and CarPlay. So really nice feature there. It also has a backup camera as well. If you have any questions, like I said, please feel free to reach out at 904-382-7230. Be happy to answer any questions you have about the Jeep. Look forward to speaking with you soon. Have a great day.